Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for chairperson and all audience. My name is Nur Afifah from Management Study Program, Faculty of Economic and Business, Universitas Tanjung Pura, Pontianak, West Kalimantan, Indonesia. I will present my paper with topic Customer Satisfaction on the Local Enterprise Water Service Company. Introduction. Customer satisfaction is seen as an interesting topic to study by marketing and management experts, since it is a very important factor determining the continuity of a company. Several studies report that customer satisfaction can be achieved in many ways, such as by company product and service that meet the need and desires of customer, providing a good service experience, conducting CSR activity, and creating customer company identification. To date, it remains unclear how the effort of the Indonesian Local Enterprise Water Service Company affect customer satisfaction. There is a doubt about whether customer satisfaction in this company is due to CSR activity create or the company product and service provide. Objectiveness. The aim of this study is to propose a conceptual model to explain the antecedent of customer satisfaction in the public sector of the service industry, namely the local enterprise water service, located in West Kalimantan, Indonesia. Theory, model, or framework and hypothesis. Conceptual base of corporate social responsibility. In the present study, we focus on evaluating the CSR initiative, such as charitable and philanthropic contribution of the company, by providing sponsorship support for community events, both religious and educational events that have been created by the law company so far. The existence of CSR activity will improve customer perception toward the law company. Therefore, the company will be more interested in conducting CSR activity in the future. Accordingly, the following hypotheses are proposed. Hypothesis 1. Corporate social responsibility affect customer satisfaction. Hypothesis 2. Corporate social responsibility affect customer company identification. Conceptual base of service experience. Service quality is connected to the overall evolution of service created by company. By comparing the expectation and the real company performance, whereas service experience is a subjective evaluation by customer after the option the service provided by the company. Service experience is not only created to evaluate the customer psychological needs. Accordingly, the following hypotheses are proposed. Hypothesis 3. Service experience affect customer company identification. Hypothesis 4. service experience affect customer satisfaction. Conceptual basic of customer company identification. Customer identification toward a company is a concept developed based on the theory of social identification. Accordingly, the following hypothesis is proposed. Hypothesis 5. Customer company identification influence customer satisfaction. Research design. My picture conceptual framework include 4 variables: CSR, service experience, customer company identification, and satisfaction. Methodology. This study is an explanatory research. Data was collected using the purposive sampling method from 250 customers in the Law Company located in West Kalimantan, Indonesia. The analytical tool used is partial least square. CSR variable include philanthropy activity in the form of sponsorship for community and religion event. Social activity carried out by a company, as well as company ethics. Service experience variable include service procedure implemented by the company, service employee, physical facility, and experience from other customer. For customer company identification, the variable include customer knowledge toward the company, customer care toward the company success, customer desire to be more proactive for the company interest, and customer engagement with the company. Customer satisfaction, the variable include satisfaction with product or service, service quality, and the company water product. Results. Based on the result of the hypothesis test, it can be concluded that hypothesis 1 is rejected, indicating that CSR has no impact on customer satisfaction. Hypothesis 2 is found to be accepted, indicating that CSR activity influence customer company identification. Hypothesis 3 is accepted that service experience variable affect customer satisfaction. Hypothesis 4, service experience is seen to have a significant impact on customer satisfaction. And hypothesis 5, customer company identification influence customer satisfaction. Discussion. In this study, CSR variable do not affect customer satisfaction, indicating that customer CSR activity created by the Law Company seem to have no significant impact on customer satisfaction, which is in contrast with previous finding Carvalho and Martinez. In this case, CSR does not influence customer satisfaction, as consumers basically buy product or service in order to meet their needs and desires. Beckman et al. Identified that customer buy product or service because of personal reason, not social community reason. Therefore, the traditional criteria set as price and quality remain important consideration for customer. In this study, CSR activity carried out by the company affect customer company identification, with inconsistent with previous funding Martinez and Sen. This is because CSR activity can increase customer self-esteem to express a better social representation. Choose customer perception on CSR activity can affect customer company identification. The impact of service experience on customer company identification indicate that there is a relationship between service experience and customer company identification. In the basic concept of expectation theory, this confirmation of customer satisfaction state that customers are pleased and satisfied if the actual performance of a company exceeds or is equal to their expectation. Choose service experience is a subjective evaluation from customer after they option service provided by the company. In this study, a strong relationship between service organization and customer is important, because when customers are not satisfied, this might lead to a loss of business. This because service experience is one of the most important and critical factors affecting consumer evaluation toward service performance. Choose service experience received by customer has a positive effect customer company identification, which is consistent with previous funding law and SURE and auto. Furthermore, the current funding show that the customer company identification variable seem to have a significant impact on customer satisfaction, supporting to the result reported by Martinez. Conclusion: customer satisfaction in the law company is influenced by service experience and customer company identification. Also, CSR activity have no impact on customer satisfaction. They seem to have a significant impact on customer company identification. This because CSR activity created by the company can affect the customer behavior toward the company. It can be concluded that service experience and customer company identification have a significant impact on customer satisfaction. This is because the law is a monopoly company. Therefore, customers do not have many options to access clean water. In this study, CSR activity do not seem to be the most dominant consideration for customer, but customer priorities the service experience provided by the law company. That's my presentation. Maybe any question or suggestion. Thank you.